Hi there, and welcome back. In this video, we'll look at one of the quickest ways to create a photo book, using the Autofill function. This feature automatically places your photos into the book for you. Before we use Autofill, make sure your photos are organized in a single folder on your computer. In the software, click Add Files. Select your photo folder, choose all the pictures you want, and click Open. When prompted, create a new album and give it a name. Wait until the upload bar is completely finished before moving on. Once your album is uploaded, look at the top left corner of the screen and click Autofill. Select the album you just created. Tick the Start Fresh box, then click OK. Your photos will now be automatically placed into the photo book page by page. Flip through your new book and see how the autofill arranged your images. From here, you can rearrange photos, adjust layouts, or add text to personalize it further. And that's it. With just a few clicks, Autofill gives you a complete photo book layout in minutes. It's the fastest way to get started, and you can always fine-tune your book later to make it your own. So go ahead, give Autofill a try, and see your memories turn into a photo book instantly.